to learn some words about the time, and here I listed them into a comparison. I hope it'll be easy for you guys to grasp. Let's get started. 今、鸡、阴、今、特、一、安、天、今天、今天、今天 means today. So we're going to learn today and before today and after today. So before today was yesterday, right? 自我昨特一安天昨天昨天今天昨天七一安前特一安天前天前天前天 means the day before yesterday. So 今天昨天前天 today yesterday and the day before yesterday. 猫寅明明特一安天明天明天明天 means tomorrow. 哈哦后哈哦后特一安天后天后天后天 means the day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. So 今天昨天前天明天后天今天 So you see all the words here. 天 means day. 今天昨天前天明天后天 That's it. So what about these? 今 is the same like this one. 今呢一安年今年今年 means this year. So as you can see, 年 here means year. 七玉去去 This U here is also with two dots, but it's invisible. 七 it's a special consonant. 去呢一安年呢一安年去年去年 means last year. So here is not 昨年, okay? The only difference about this is 去 means gone, went, go. So it means last year. The year has passed. 去年七一安前呢一安年前年前年 This is the year before last year. The year before last year. 猫寅明 is just like this one. 明明明 means the next. 明呢一安年明年明年 means next year. From now. 哈哦后 it's also the same like this 后后呢一安年后年后年 it's the year after next year. The year after next year. So we can see for these days and years, they're very similar, right? But the only difference between yesterday and last year of the characters, the difference is 昨 and 去. So let's read everything together. 今天今天明天明天后天后天昨天昨天前天前天 If you remember, we learned about days of the week, right? And how to say Sunday? Sunday is 星期天, right? 星期天. So 天 means day, and 星期天 means Sunday, and 今天 means today, 明天 means tomorrow, 后天 means the day after tomorrow, 昨天 means yesterday, 前天 means the day before yesterday. Okay, let's move to year. 今年means this year. 明年 means next year. 后年 means the year after next year. 去年 means last year. 前年 means the year before last year. So we can see that all the 年 here means year. And 今 is the same, 明 also the same, 后 again it's the same, 前 is the same as well, right? The only difference is 昨天去年. These are different. It's about yesterday and the last year. So as we know, 今天今年 they are about now, during this time. And from this part, they are about future, right? And this part and this part, they're about past. So today we learned about the 10 words about time, about now and before now and after now in a general way. So I hope you like this video and you found it easy, and I hope that you can leave me comments, like this video. If you haven't subscribed me yet, please do that and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of the notifications from my new videos coming in the near future. So I will see you next time. Bye. 再见.